Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very crucial topic of marketing, which is green marketing. We all know that our planet is facing some serious issues of pollution, due to which human health is in trouble. So it becomes predominantly required that we, as savers of this Mother Earth, follow certain measures so that we can save our Mother Earth and also eventually our health. So, in this diagram, we can see certain wrappers, boxes, or bottles or glasses made up of paper. Why paper? So that it can be recycled. Okay, plastic, we all know, has become a major contributor of pollution, especially water pollution. Okay, so, green marketing is something that we need to follow rigorously now so that we can save us, okay, and also our Mother Earth. Now, due to continuous deterioration of our planet, the whole world is suffering from several serious issues, okay, whether we talk about the health problems, sustainability issues, or the destruction of biodiversity for that matter. Everything is in danger, okay, although we have taken certain measures, but a lot needs to be done. The role of green marketing becomes very important as it is something which focuses on overall aspect of product development till the time the product is consumed by the consumer. Okay, so we basically have a name in this. We have to make a product through a process so that the pollution does not occur, if not at all, but a less quantity is basically emitted. Also, what when we transport the product to the nearby location to sell it, then also what we are using is various transportation facilities. So we need to use those transports which are emitting less pollution. CNG vehicles, hydrogen based vehicles, electric vehicles, and we also need to pack them so that they don't cause pollution to our environment, right? So everything should be done in such a way so that the pollution does not happen, okay. Now, when products are manufactured, promoted, priced, keeping in view the protection of environment, we are said to be a green marketer. Okay, whether we will talk about manufacturing, promoting the product, also we have to show in our ad that how important is it to protect the environment, what measures are we following. Then we have, when we are pricing also a product, we need to tell to the people that look, we are contributing certain amount for the safety of the environment, for the environmental protection, or making it a clean and green drive, anything, okay, with the view of protection of environment. Along with basic satisfaction of the customer, it is equally important that our planet is kept safe for the posterity, that is the future generations, coming generations. Okay, and green marketing can play a major role in fulfilling this objective. Now, various strategies are used pertaining to it by various companies. Okay, and the benefits of these can bring a huge difference in our planet's health and thereby ours. Now, what are the strategies of green marketing? The first is the responsibility. See, green marketing is very much about becoming conscious of pollution. Okay, we need to first become conscious. We need to look, we need to understand its importance. We need to basically give attention to it. Simply to prove the sincerity of the intentions, the company should rethink in terms of ecological and social responsibility. Okay, so the answer is simple: we have to do it collectively. think it as a social responsibility and show customers that we care about this planet. Okay, so responsibility is something that needs to be taken. Okay, so this is a very important strategy. Apart from this is green pricing. Okay, so environmentally friendly products generally have a high value, we all know, due to the increased cost of the design. Okay, because we have basically spent more in that production, basically in designing that product, as it is a green product. However, despite the high price, customers are still willing to pay for them. So if a company charges high price for the ecological products, they should ensure that they communicate the specifics to the customers. Okay, so goods are worth the price asking for. Yes, very right. If you are making a green product, it's obvious that it would be costlier because there will be more cost in designing that product. Okay, so it's good that the customers are made aware of the same so that they can also contribute for the benefit of the environment, protection of the environment. Now, sustainable design, it's not only about recycling logo on the product's packaging. Okay, it's about a full product life cycle of the product in mind. Okay, the company should pay attention to the detail like the sources of raw material. We need to think, how are we going to produce? Okay, what will be our sources of raw material? From where we are going to bring the raw materials? Okay, so that we need to we can use all those vehicles basically which don't cause pollution. The location also matters. What would be the location? Is it a location where a lot of people are residing? Will it cause a lot of health damage to them? The workers involved in the process, okay, how can they be safe? What processes can we use so that they can be safe, right? Now, sustainable packaging. The excessive use of plastic is is the number one reason for the pollution of our planet. Very right. According to Greenpeace, 8.3 billion tons of plastic has been produced since the 1950s. Nowadays, consumers are more responsible and trying to avoid plastic packaging. That's why it's always advisable to create recycled or no plastic packaging for a brand. Very right. So we need to think about how we use plastic. We have to basically switch to no plastic packaging as companies, and customers need to take this responsibility at the same time that we are going to use only those products which are plastic free. Okay, now, beneficial for all the living beings. The word green marketing itself tells about the importance of being green. When the entire planet is protected through the strategies used in GM, it is natural that the entire biodiversity sustain currently and also the posterity will live safe. Very right. Now, what are the characteristics of green marketing? Focuses on overall product life cycle. Not only one aspect of a product is considered. Every part, whether we talk about packaging, development, transportation, design, distribution, every single element is focused on. Okay, we think that we have to reduce the pollution at any cost. Now, continuous activity, yes. Looking at the serious issues that we are facing now, the process of green marketing has to be done or followed on regular basis to save the Mother Earth. Now, what are the elements of service marketing? Basically, these are the elements of green marketing, we can say. For first is the products which are non-toxic, organically grown are called the eco-friendly products. Then green price, when the price is set keeping in mind the basic contribution towards the green cause. Very right. And green place, if the good is distributed keeping in mind environment friendly fuel like hydrogen, CNG, etc. It is a part of green distribution. Now, green promotion, when a good is promoted through a media which is not harming the environment, it is called green promotion, right? For example, broadcasting media like TV, radio, etc. Now, let us practice some important questions. Which of the following is not an element of green marketing? Green place, green color, green promotion, and green product. Green color is not actually a element, okay? It just shows that we are going green, but all others are elements. We use them so that we can reduce the pollution through making strategies. Now, can shifting of a factory to a low populated area be a part of green marketing? Yes, no, or maybe, or can't say. See, when we are shifting a factory to a low polluted area, then the health of the people is taken care of in this case. So, obviously, this is a part of green marketing. Very right. So answer is option A for this. So this was all for today. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you so much for your time.